Welcome to video 3 of the Fox docu-series. We cover the condition of the original interior, the seats I purchased to rectify the panel shop's mistake, and the source of design. In video 1, the interior that came with the car is shown and the situation explained. The seats I purchased came out of 2005 City.com. The driver's seat was the only seat that had damage to the cushion itself. This damage is caused by normal wear and tear of getting in and out of the car. The driver's side left bolster was a bit squashed. I took a wood block and I hit it back into place. It came right. The passenger seats and rear seat was stained from being stored outside. The condition of the fabric didn't faze me, knowing that the seats were going to be recovered. I was looking at the overall condition of the cushions. I intended to use this denim material, this fabric, because of its durability and color. Being that it wasn't a thick denim, it could have been used. The panel shop gave me a swatch of materials to choose from. I chose the blue and grey material. Blue to pay homage to the original interior and grey to pay homage to the replacement interior. BB's brown bread, best of both. I believe having a standard for everything you work on is a good backstop. It ensures a quality product is produced every time. Rust converter was applied to all the surface rust on the seat before recovering and installing them into the car. This alleviates any work needing to be done after all the work is done to the seats. Here are two of my co-workers, Samson and Kituraman. Kituraman owns a business delivering water to my place of employment, and this is his project caddy. His interior has the normal wear and tear on it. He has an old spec interior. Here is another example of old spec seats with the same damage. I use some Eurospec retro Recaro seats as a design reference. Old spec rear seats were used as a design reference for my seats. I used cardboard and the dimensions and measurements from the golf one my father owns to make door pads out of 3mm masonite. That was my intended plan, but the recurring theme of this panel shop is to do the opposite of what I've asked. A set of headrests and armrests were bought from Auto Works in Clearwood for 500 rand. Mohammed has a very clean spares yard and spare shop. He deals in various car spares and truck spares. He was the only person advertising those specific armrests I was looking for at the time. Shown here is the original sets of armrests that were dumped in my car while the car was sitting in the panel shop yard. They still have that set. They did not send that set back with me. The headrest came off a Mark II Golf. I put the Mark II cushion on the Mark I stems. This was easier than making the Mark II stems fit onto the Mark I seat. These pictures were provided by Sunil, the gentleman who did the recovering of the seats. He does some quality work. He's based in Phoenix. He's quite far from where I live. And considering he doesn't do this daily, he does this on the weekend, I'm happy with the product he produced. The stencils I made ended up not being used. I purchased a set of 4 door pads from Just Golf in Bonella for 300 rand. They were in decent condition. Uncle Faisal helped me out a lot. He's a genuine guy. He deals in VW and Subaru space. That is video 3 of the Fox docu-series done and dusted.
She asked the Lord to make a wait for me. Snakes in the grass, I'm taking a loss. Yeah, but it's clearing the pot. There's no fear in my heart. That shit is daily departed. Now it's just me and the monsters. I'm in a team full of mobsters. She wanna speak to a boss. Come give me kiss in the office.